Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today we're going to be doing a makeup video. I got some goodies in the mail from FENTY. So I'm going to be showing you guys all their new releases. I'm also going to demo some of the items so you guys can see exactly how they work. So before we get started, you guys, I apologize for my camera quality. I'm working very hard trying to figure out exactly how to set up my lighting and how to get everything looking nice and crisp and really high quality and true tone for you guys. But I'm having such a hard time with this camera, so excuse me if quality looks different. So enough of that, let's jump right into the makeup. So they did release their limited edition Vivid Liquid Eyeliner Trio. I have the Trio Bayside, and Bayside is what I use on my eyes today. And I will be showing you guys how I did this later in the video. So the next trio we have is Baywatch. And the last trio we have is Bay K. So I'm going to go in and show you guys each of the colors in each trio and swatch them. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with Bayside. And Bayside has three colors: Papaya Mama, Lime Fever, and Skinny Dip. So the first color I'm going to show you is Skinny Dip, and that's this really pretty blue. So this is what Skinny Dip looks like right here. Very nice and pigmented and opaque. Next I'm going to show you Lime Fever, and the last color, Papaya Mommy. So the next trio I'm going to show you guys is Baywatch. Baywatch is very similar to Bayside. I feel like Baywatch, the colors are a little bit darker and more intense. So here's the color Hot Tub Club. That's a really pretty blue color as well. I really love that color. Oh my god, so nice. The next color right here is Techno Beat. Very, very pretty pink color. And the last color is Jalapeno. I really like that. The last trio I'm going to show you guys is Bay K. So here's the color Wet Shirt. The next color is Hottie Alert, and this one is just like a very pastel pink color. And the next color is Banana Blaze, and this is just a very nice yellow color. So now I'm going to move on to the next items, and I'm going to show you guys the limited edition POUTSICLE Juicy Satin Lipsticks, okay? So we have 6 of the POUTSICLEs, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the first one, and this is Tropic Tantrum. So this right here is the color Sun Snatched. Here's the color Purple Sickle right here. Very pretty color. The next color I'm going to show you guys is called Motorboat. So the next color is called Go Deep, and it's a very deep blue. It's, you guys, are so pretty. And the last color is a really pretty red, and this one is called Hot Blooded. I really love how all the colors are so pigmented and very comfortable on my lips. They don't feel like dry or crackly. Very moisturizing. It's a nice color punch. They look really good on my skin tone, except for that light blue one. I don't really like that one for myself, but I feel like if you're doing a certain type of look, you could definitely rock it. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you the last 2 items. And this is the Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Stick. And this is just like an exfoliating lip balm, but you will like use this before you apply the lipstick. And the last product they have is the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm, and I have it in the shade Hint Hint. Okay, you guys, so the lip balm comes in this type of packaging. and it comes with a little applicator. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand just to see what the color looks like. And it does appear that this is like a sheer lip balm. It's not really a whole lot of color. So I'm going to give you guys an update on the lip balm and the lip scrubbing stick just to see how that goes with my lips. Because honestly, my lips get really dry. If these products are able to keep my lips moist, I'm definitely going to let you guys know. I'm going to do like a little test with these for about a week. So those are all the products. So now we're going to go straight into our demo portion. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got this really fun liner. My liner is kind of inspired by Rihanna's, but I did it a little bit different with my own little spin on it. And I definitely wanted to incorporate the whole trio into one look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so we're going to get right into the eyeliner look. I'm going to be using the colors from Bayside. And the first color I'm going to go in with is Lime Fever. So as I'm using this liner, what I noticed off the top is that it's really easy to use. It is very pigmented. And the color actually shows up on my skin. I'm just fixing up any areas that needs to be fixed. So far so good. I'm really liking the texture of the product. It isn't drying up like crackly and flaky. Now I'm going to go in with the blue color, and this is called Skinny Dip. Okay, you guys, so this is how the blue looked. I kind of went all the way with my blue. I did it a little bit differently than Rihanna's. And now I'm going to go in with Papaya Mama. And I think I'm going to apply Papaya Mama at the top and also the bottom. These are very fine tipped, so you can like draw on your eyes with these. I definitely love how they're not like irritating my eye. It's very, very gentle. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've done the liner, and what I'm gonna go do is put on some mascara and add some falsies. Now I'm getting ready to apply my eyelashes in the style Drama Queen. So to finish up the look, we're gonna go in with the shade Tropic Tantrum. I'm just going to apply Tropic Tantrum on the outside and Sun Snatch on the inside. Okay, you guys, so you saw me apply the products. As you guys can see, it's so easy to use. It goes on like a dream. I'm definitely loving those liquid vivid eyeliners. I'm definitely loving these POUTSICLE lipsticks as well. They're so cute, and they smell so good, and they make your lips look so nice and juicy. Make sure you guys stock Fenty Beauty tomorrow. The items drop May 10th. Please don't forget to thumb it up if you like my makeup videos, and comment below and subscribe. Make sure you click your bell notification so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. I post weekly, randomly. I need to get better with that, but I definitely post weekly, so make sure you guys are checking back on my page, because the YouTube algorithm be screwing your girl up. So make sure you guys come back to my page to see if I've uploaded anything new. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to y'all next time.